The titanium iPhone 15 Pro, built with an aerospace-grade material, a new level of mobile gaming power, and a camera that can literally shoot a blockbuster film. Titanium, the same material used in spacecraft design, makes iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max the lightest Pro models ever. Titanium's unique properties give it one of the highest strength-to-weight ratios of any metal, which basically means it's light enough to get up into space and strong enough to make it all the way back to Earth. The new design comes in 4 Pro finishes and now includes a USB-C connector with super fast transfer speeds, and there is a customizable action button for quicker access to your favorite feature, from opening the camera to activating a shortcut. iPhone 15 Pro gets a major performance upgrade from the A17 Pro chip with a new 6-core GPU and faster neural engine. It becomes a ridiculously powerful mobile gaming machine, enabling higher quality graphics and rich immersive game worlds never seen before on a smartphone. Now you can play your favorite PC games like Assassin's Creed or Resident Evil on your smartphone. These graphics bring out very beautiful detail. It's a new chapter in performance for iPhone and a new era of mobile gaming for the world. For photography, the new Pro camera system pushes the limits of what you can capture with smartphone. It's like having 7 Pro lenses at the ready, ranging from 13mm focal length on the ultra-wide camera to 120mm on the new 5x telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Pro Max gets iPhone's longest optical zoom ever, using a first-of-its-kind toucher prism design. It's like having a huge telephoto lens, and the more advanced 48-megapixel main camera brings super high-resolution photos, which can now be turned into a portrait after you've shot, with an adjustable focus point for an all-new level of control. And when it comes to filmmaking, it's now possible to record directly to an external drive, enabling iPhone 15 Pro to shoot in ProRes 4K at 60 frames per second. With up to 20 times faster transfer speed enabled by USB 3 and support for Pro formats, the workflow between shooting and post-production is massively improved. Whether big movies or everyday videos, professional level filmmaking isn't the palm of your hand. A movie making, high-res shot-taking, gaming powerhouse built with aerospace-grade titanium, iPhone 15 Pro is the most powerful iPhone ever made. Hope you liked this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.